Hey fam, you're welcome back to my channel. This breakfast is already giving me joy, guys. Like looking at this plate of palatable is everything and more. Okay, so you don't have any reason to be preparing boring breakfast. You don't have any reason whatsoever, especially this season that we're on holiday. You need to take your time, spice up your game in the kitchen, especially in the areas of breakfast. So let me take you through how I made this sandwich. My name is Chex, guys. If you're meeting us for the first time, you're highly and warmly welcome back to my kitchen. This is a very quick breakfast, guys. I'm taking you guys through the rate time it will take you to prepare this sandwich. In less than 8 minutes, it's ready in real time, guys. So you start by chopping up your veggies. Okay, here I've already grated my carrots. I am here cutting my purple cabbage, and I just discovered that the one I sliced out might just be way too big, because purple cabbage has a way of dominating anything you add it to. So I just needed a few of it just to give it that color here and there. Okay, mash your egg, but not very smoothly, guys. If you can even use knife to do this. Just cut it into small bits. Add the mashed eggs into your already prepared vegetables, and then add your cream. You can use any cream of your choice, just suit your taste buds. If you want to use ketchup, you can. If you want to use mayonnaise, you can. If you want to use your normal bread butter, you can, but just add any cream. This cream will act as a binder and also enhance the taste, the richness of the sandwich. Combine everything very well to make sure that the cream especially has at least mixed up very well with the veggies. So roll your sleeves now. We're about to get creative, guys. Just bring out a slice of bread and remove the edges. Okay, you might still do it with this, but then I think that edges will be hard. That's why I cut my own off, because when you roll it, you need something flexible and flat that you can work with. So I feel if those edges are there, it might not be easy to work with, so I cut them off. Now roll it with a rolling pin to flatten it. It has to be very flat. Okay, just watch how I am doing it. Repeat the same process with the remaining slices of bread. I give you two reasons why you should not skip this process, this creaming of the sliced of the rolled out breads. You need to cream it so that this bread will now stick when you roll it. Okay, secondly, it will still add to the richness, no doubt. So go ahead and do that, and then scoop your veggies and roll the bread with it. Repeat the process with the remaining slices of bread, and our sandwich is almost there, but there's still one last process. As always, just always save the best for the last, okay? Just watch. This is actually very easy to make, guys, like very easy, easier than you can imagine. It's so easy, okay? So don't be scared. Sprinkle a little oil into your pan and start putting in your rolled bread. Just fry on a very low heat. Remember, everything here is ready to, can be eaten the way it is right away, except the egg. The eggs, you roll them in. So this is just basically for you to get the eggs cooked. And remember, eggs does not take time to be cooked. So just roll it in the heat and your sandwich is ready, guys. It didn't take time. Like, before you blink your eye, this delicious delicacy is already staring at your face, and your breakfast is made. Yummy and everything, okay? So you go ahead and bring them out once they are done and serve with any drink of your choice, or you can eat it that way. But this day I served my family this meal with a cup of hot chocolate drink, guys, and our breakfast was made. So thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next one. Bye.